on my lunch. I think I'm gonna make myself a tuna, and it's such a nice foggy day. Let me show you. Got home and he went to pick up a table we found at Ross. This matches our kitchen table, but there's a Ross nearby that we saw it in, and then we went back, what was it, like 5 days later, and all of these were gone, and they had like 6 there, but like these apartments are near that Ross, and so everything is kind of that same scheme as you can see in the apartment, and so these tables flew, but it's a good size. I want to use it for my embroidery, and then we're going to use it today for Korean barbecue also. It's like perfect, you just slide in.
Dude, look at this. It literally is the same.
Yeah, that's what I was going to show, like the comparison. It's like similar height.
I guess this one's a little lighter.
A tiny bit, yeah. Should we add the sauces in here first? This will be in the lettuce, rice paper radish, brisket, oil, salt, and pepper, chili sauce. Got a raw onion to grill, my little wine. We also got the sides right here. Ooh, this one's big. There's a sunny side up egg in there. Been a couple days and it is Saturday now. We went to get teriyaki at the mall today, and then we went to the grocery store. I found these cute plants, so I got one for my mom since tomorrow we're gonna go to Orange County, celebrate Mother's Day. I'll show you guys the plants, really cute. Other than that, I don't think there's anything pretty crazy we're doing today. When we went to the grocery store, we got steak, so we'll probably do that outside. It is really hot today. Earlier it was 87, so I don't know right now what it is, but I think it's probably hotter because it's more in the middle of the day. Let me show you guys the plant. Look how cute. Such shiny leaves. This is the name of it, but it's like a peace lily. It's very cute. It seems like you're doing it on purpose.
Arriba. ¿Sí? La mano aquí.
Nathan, he's Spider-Man.
Estás bailando ballet, creo, Nathan.
Lelo.
Ajá. Así.
¿Sí?
Oh, no, it didn't hit.
You gotta post that on
Pégale
your...
derecho, no, estoy yo. Si le pegas así, pues la vas a echar para acá. Pégale en el centro, así en el centro.
I feel like I'm in great danger. We don't want those
No
here.
sé si las quieres de cuando le dije. Que ella viene y las dibuja y las imprime.
Okay.
Carlita, you look so pretty.
Yo no estaba esperando que iba a encontrar estas.
Bueno, las dejé ahí, viste, se me había olvidado.
Sí.